Hey, what's up everyone? Thank you guys for tuning in and welcome back to another video here at GPS Loft. You can see I entered 3 birds for the race tomorrow morning at Fresno. It's about 200 miles away. All right, and before I forget, what we got here is the last week's race result for the race. It was at Modesto, California. There were 211 birds, 11 lofts participated. The release time was 07:20, and our winner for that race is Carl. Congratulations, Carl. Well deserved. Carl has always been within top 10, sometimes top 5 all the time, but this is his first time. He got the first bird, winner 757, 12:01, arrived at 12:01, and then the next one is our boy Tiwi, 12:04, so 3 minutes, almost 3 minutes apart. He's got the third also. And Gustavo, congrats guys. All right, what's up Pigeon World? What's up mga kalupatids? Welcome back. We're here for race number, I'm not sure, I think number 5 or number 4. But here we are, we're waiting for the birds. I joined in 3 birds today. It's about 12:15 in the afternoon. The birds were released at 09 a.m. in Fresno, which is about 180 or 200 miles from here. And like what I said earlier, right now it's currently 12:15, and we're waiting for 3 birds. And as usual, the goal is just for those guys to make it home. All right, here's the time. Well, almost 12:20, so they should be arriving soon. And if they don't arrive, I'm not gonna make it in the top 20%. But you know, like what I always say, as long as they make it back home, they get to race next week. All right, talk to you later. Two birds, guys. They don't want to come down. Do they belong to me? Is that my bird? Yeah, I see 2 birds. It's still spinning around. Coming down. Got 1 bird coming down. 2 birds coming down right now. All right. So who's here? First clock in. $112. 22777. Man, I think it's that one right here. I think it's that one. I think it's this one right here. So that's 22777. Arrived right now. All right. So we're still waiting for 2 more. So I got 1 back. Right there. Right there. 22777. Arrive right now. All right, so that other blue bar that was with my bird, that wasn't mine. So I came down here, and I guess I got a little too close, and it flew away. So all right, let's see if we got 1 more. 1 more. No, we don't have. We still have 1. All right, it's about 2:45 in the afternoon, and we're still missing 2 birds. All right, we'll see Do I have birds that's back? I think I might. Oh, nice. Right now it's almost 4 o'clock, and then I got both of them back. Let's take a look at them. So this is that's 37542. Got back at, he's the last one at 4. No. At 3:30. And then, oh man, where's the, oh, and this checkered right here, she's also back. She got back at 2:48. All right, well, so glad that I got all my birds back. That's pretty cool. So I get to race them next week. Okay, so just tune in later. I'm gonna go to the club later, and let's see the result. See you later. All right, what's up everyone? So what we're looking at here is the race results for today's race at Fresno, California, our second time here. So the release was at 09. There were 200 birds and 12 lofts that participated. So the winner is Bruno, 671. That's the bird. Congratulations, Bruno, for taking the first what? 10. That's all him right there. So like what I said before, the birds were released at 09, and then the first bird came at 12:51. There it is. So he took the first 10, and then number 11 is Hector, and then Carl, and our boy TV right there. So like what I said earlier, this is 12 lofts, and then these are the only 4 lofts that made it to the top 20%. See? And then all of us, the rest of us, are down here. See? And then this is me right here, 22777. That's the bird right there. 91 out of 200 birds. All right, well, that's about it here at GPS Loft. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. Again, thank you, and have a good day.